Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw from a watch only wallet trust to your local account. So without further ado, let's get into this. But before we go through this, make sure you like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Now, to do this, all that you need to do is just launch your Trust wallet. If you don't have an account or if you don't have the app, all that you need to do is just hit into Play Store. So I'm going to show you that quickly. Just hit into Play Store, and then when you hit into Play Store, you just have to type in Trust Wallet and then you install on your mobile device. I have it on my phone already, so what I'm going to do is I'll just open it. Now, when you open your Trust Wallet account, you can see from my account that I don't have anything. It's $0.00 in my account. But quickly, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to import to get a watch only wallet, and then you be able to also withdraw using your BNB app. So all that you need to do is that you just have to go to settings, just tap on settings here, down here, and then you go to wallet, and then when you go to wallet, just tap on the plus sign here, and then you go to I already have a wallet. Then when you come to this side, you tap on BNB. I hope you are following. So when you come to this side of the BNB, you are going to import. So you go to address. That is this side, address. We are going to paste an address here. So I have everything here to show you. So I have the address here. I'm just going to copy the address. If you want everything, please do well to check in the description. I have my WhatsApp number there. Just chat me. Let me get you everything, every detail that I'm using in this video. So you paste this BNB address. Just paste it, and then you go to import. So you wait a while the application will import. It says that your wallet was successfully imported. Go to done. Guys, you can see from my screen, I had $0.00. Now I'm having 3,802.78, which is equivalent to 9.875071 BNB. So you can see from 0 to hero. That is what I've said. So after you have been able to import, follow this. Please do not skip any side of this video. I'm going to show you every step by step, by the way, how you'll be able to withdraw watch only wallet trust into your BNB local account. So the next thing that to do is just go and launch your BNB app. If you want the app and the logins, I have got all of it. Just contact me and through the WhatsApp number in my description, and I'm going to just DM me. We are going to have a talk about this particular app. So we are going to enter the BNB wallet token ID, and then we are going to have the password. If you need these details and the app, don't forget to check the description and then chat me or DM me so that I can give you all these details. So all that you need to do here is you have to come here, and then I will just enter my token ID here, and then I'll go for my password. And then I will just paste the password here. You understand? So I'm going to paste my password here. As I said, if you need the details and the app, just chat me and I will get it for you. So tap on login, and guys, you can see from here. So we are into the app. Just go to withdraw BNB funds. Tap on withdraw BNB funds. Go to local wallet, and then you enter your BNB wallet address here. So this is the address. You just have to copy the address, and then we'll paste the address here. This address we are going to copy. or to withdraw from. So I'm going to enter the amount in dollars. So I'll enter $500. Then here you enter your full name. I will enter Sidako Tech. Then I will enter my money number. Sorry. So I'm going to enter my mobile money number here, which is, so that is the number. So after entering the number, I will just have to re-enter. I will just copy and paste the number here, and then I'll go to transfer funds. I'll just go to transfer funds. So guys, it says transfer request sent. Now make sure you have this screen on your device. Don't quit it and go anywhere. Like for about 5 to 10 minutes, the money will be credited into your mobile money or into your bank account, and then you'll be able to do so. So make sure you chat me for all the necessary credentials and details to be able to withdraw your watch wallet into your local account. Thank you for watching. If you